Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Do you want to monetize your website with Google AdSense? I will walk you through the simple process of connecting your site to AdSense so you can start earning from ads. So now let's get started. First, head over to the Google AdSense website, which is the adsense.google.com, and sign up for an account. You will need a Google account and a live website to proceed. Fill out the necessary details and submit your application. Once your AdSense account is approved, Google will give you a code to place on your website. Copy this code, then log into your website's content management system. Now, if you are using WordPress, you can use a plugin like Insert Headers and Footers to paste the AdSense code in the head section of your site. After adding the code, you will need to wait for Google to review your site. So this process typically takes a few days, but once approved, ads will start appearing on your website automatically. And that is how you connect your website to Google AdSense. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.